I'm going to show you how to pair and connect a pair of Bose 700 headphones directly to a Fire TV, okay? It could be the Amazon Fire TV, Insignia Fire TV, Toshiba Fire TV, Pioneer Fire TV, and so on, okay? This one here is an Insignia TV, but they're all the same. So first thing is we want to go to the settings, the Bluetooth settings on your Fire TV. So we can click on the home button. Then once you get here, you want to go to the settings, okay, that gear icon. So let me go ahead and move over to the right, keep moving over to the right there, and then just go down. And we want to go to controllers and Bluetooth devices right there. Click on OK. And then we're going to go down and we're going to leave it here, other Bluetooth devices, okay? So now we want to go ahead first and put this in the pairing mode. So let me go ahead and put these in pairing mode. Let me just turn it on. Power button is here. Okay, not this button here, power button. Let me just tap on that. Let's turn it on. And I should get like a blue blinking light. Pulsating blue blinking light. So that I know it's in pairing mode, okay? So it's blinking blue here. So it's in pairing mode. So now let's click on other Bluetooth devices. And now, and then add Bluetooth devices. And now it's searching, okay? And this is still in pairing mode. Oh, and just showed up right there, Bose 700 headphones. So let me click on OK right there. And the blue light will continue to blink until it's connected. Then it'll be a solid blue light, as you can see there. Okay, you can see device connected, the Bose 700 headphones now connected right there. And then there we go. Now you're good to go. You can watch Netflix or YouTube or whatnot through the headphones, right? Questions or issues, comment below. Oh, also, if you guys weren't able to get a blue blinking light to put in a pairing mode, maybe it was like a solid blue light or whatever, you can always reset these as well. Look in the link below. I'll show you how to reset these, okay, if you have connecting problems, all right? Good luck, guys.